Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can download image from Canva without its background. Whenever you remove background in Canva and you download image, you must download transparent image without background. For that, just open your Canva app on your mobile phone or if you are on laptop or PC. That's why I will upload any picture and remove its background. That's why I will remove this background. When I remove this background, for that, whenever you download this picture, you must download in transparent mode. That's what I have removed the background for this image. Now if I have to download this image, for that I will click on this download option, top right side, click on this download. Now here you can see the option called transparent background. You must check in this option. After checking in this option, now you will click on this download. Now when you check this image, its background will be removed. Otherwise, whenever you remove the background on camera but you download without this transparent background, there is no use to remove the background because its background will appear again when you check this image in gallery. That's why whenever you remove any background of the image and whenever you download it, you must check this transparent background option and download this.